It is Memorial Day, 8:45 in the morning, and we cannot come to our backyard and enjoy a cup of coffee in peace because the water heater of our next door neighbor is on. This is the noise we have to endure every time they decide and any time they want to turn on their pumps. Sometimes they turn it on all day. This is our living space in here, in the outdoor patio.